If you love taking care of yourself as much as I do, I'm going to tell you how to make a 3 seaweed wrap. Before doing the wrap, you can apply a lymphatic drainage massage to activate your body with the oil you normally use. I recommend a glycerin or avocado oil from the Bot brand. Use an anti-cellulite massager to increase effectiveness. In addition to the wrap powder in the format you have, you will need a bowl, a spatula, water, and plastic wrap. In this case, we are going to make the seaweed wrap with hot water. In a proportion of approximately 1 part powder to 2 parts hot water, gradually mix the powder into the water to avoid lumps and obtain a uniform mixture. It should have a suitable consistency to apply to the skin without dripping or being too thick. Spread it over the area until it is covered with a uniform layer. Cover with plastic wrap and wait 25 minutes for perfect absorption. Remove the plastic and clean with a damp cloth. Do this treatment once a week, either in your salon or, even better, do it yourself at home and enjoy the wonderful effects of thalassotherapy.